Good afternoon, alas 2 na, 2:05 na. Nakaligo na tayo. Gawin ko pala yung chicken. Kasi kung maalala nyo kahapon, nabanggit ko na i-slice ko siya. Then, pati yung beef, mayroon ako dyan. Hindi ko pa nagagawa. So, unahin ko muna to. Gagawin ko siyang schnitzel. Kasi bukas, pasukan na naman guys. So, pag gusto ng mga bata ng dinner na schnitzel, easy na lang sa akin na bunutin siya sa freezer. So, ito yung gagawin ko. For dinner, yun. Hindi ko pa alam po anong dinner namin na lulutuin ko. And today pala yung first day of fishing season dapat ni Jan. Kaso, ang pangit ng weather, nakita nyo naman. And after namin bisitahin si Dad, pumunta kayo sa shed, nakita nyo nandun pa yung pots. Dapat nung last week pa nakalagay sa boat. Pero dahil sa pangit ng weather, simula nung linagay yung boat sa dagat, hindi pa gumaganda yung weather guys, kaya hindi pa nila nalalagay yung pots. And we'll see kung kailan, but yeah, today dapat yung first day of fishing season. But yeah, and first day ng spring, kaso pangit ng weather. So, hugasan ko muna to, then islice ko siya ng thin, kasi yung mga bata mahilig sila sa schnitzel na chicken, si Jan naman beef. So, eto muna yung gagawin ko. Ang lakas pa rin ng hangin. Ilalagay dito, dapat makonsume natin siya September 4. Ngayon September 1. And ilalagay naman natin siya sa freezer. Kaya gawin ko na to bago pa siya mag-expire. Mag-expire.
In my world, don't worry, darling, I'll just smile, 'cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting, you can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this. Waiting, 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 I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more.
Hindi siya ganun katibay yung gloves natin. Ayan tayo dito, maglalagyan ng ating mga i-slice. Butterfly ko sana siya, kaso ang laki niya naman para sa isang tao, especially yung mga bata lang naman ang kakain nito. So ang gagawin ko na lang ay thin slice. Tulog na si Jan guys. Di kami nasad siya ni Holy Janisa. Tulog na yung nagsi-celebrate ng Father's Day. Ayan. Di ko alam kung may kita niya. Ayan siya.
Playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.
Sa isang chicken breast, nakagawa tayong tatlo.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met, I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your life. And after all this time, feeling fine, this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing all this.
Waiting na si Johnny Boy. Hindi siya ba little sleep? Nagising siya, kakapukpuk ko. Ayan, tinakpan ko muna siya ng glad wrap kasi bukas ko pa siya i-breading. Kasi I need to prepare our dinner. Meron pa ako ikakat yung beef. So, beef siguro yung dinner namin. And, yeah. And mashed potato. Ito muna ito sa ref. Then, ito yung next kong gagawin. And ito na rin yung dinner namin. So, ito naman yung blade roast. Pero hindi natin siya i-roast today. Iiwain ko rin siya ng manipis. So, ipa-pat dry ko lang to. Set aside ko muna bago ko siya i-pat dry. Ang gagawin ko is magpapakulo muna ng eggs. Pakulo muna tayo ng eggs. 3, 4. Oh, yan. 4. Gawin ko ng 5. 5 eggs. And hiwain ko yung mga vegetables na kakailanganin ko.
Squash sausage. What's that?
I'm gonna make something. Okay, daan ko nang i-chop yung broccoli, garlic, parsley. Isusutay ko lang muna to sa olive oil and butter bago ko hiwain yung aking beef. And nabalatan ko rin yung eggs and yung patatas. Mamaya, makukulaan ko na rin yung patatas. Okay? And yung mga bata ayun na. What? It's raining? Huh? Oh, the wind.
Oh.
Nagkikik sila ng puti sa labas. Oh, can you hear that? Opo. Opo. Okay. So, sutay ko muna to. Huh? What's gonna stop? Rain? Yeah. Pangit ng weather. And gusto kong gumawa ng scallop with prosciutto. And then, we'll see. We'll see what else. Kasi diba Father's Day, so special ang dinner namin ngayon. Surprise. Beef.
Huh?
Tinali ko na yung buhok ko. Kasi tuyo na siya. Lagay lang tayo ng butter. And olive oil. So, eto, mamaya ko pa ito pakukuluan. Pag malapit na yung partner niya maluto. For now, saute muna tayo. Pangit na talaga ng weather outside. Huwag lang natin susunugin yung garlic. Pag naamoy na siya, lagay na natin ito. Ating broccoli. Naglagay ulit akong konting butter. Lagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. And meron tayong biniling ano, diba? Yung ito, yung truffle spice. Maglagay din ako nito. And salt. So, hinaan ko na yung aking pan. And habang hinihintay ko siyang maluto, isi-shred ko yung binoiled kong eggs. Ito. Lagyan na natin dyan. Itapusin ko lang to. Ito ang ating eggs. Then next kong gagawin is yung aking hiway na yung beef. Siguro 4 lang. Akin na yung isa. Kainin ko. Nagugutom lang. Wala pa akong kain, guys. Simula kanina. Nagtubig lang ako na nagtubig. Yung tira kong tubig kagabi. Hindi ko pa na ilalagay yung ginawa kong lemon ice. So, ayan. Yung ating shredded eggs. And eto, kainin ko to. Ito. Grabe, pangit ng word. Look at that rain, ha? Sarap. Okay. Hiwain na natin itong beef. 4:45 na. Magka 5 o'clock na, guys.
So here you got club
Pat dry.
They're actually cloves.
I need one more.
Wait, hold on. Let's just try.
Ay, hindi. Dito na lang pala. Para, bawas hugasan. Dito ko na lang ilalagay din yung hiniwa ko. Alright.
So you take it. Oh, that's a good there. Well, hang on. No, I have to do that. One more. What are you trying?
Huh?
What is it?
Beef.
Oh, sort of.
Shoulder blade.
From
From Coles. Do we have?
roast.
That's for the roast. No, this is na. Mayroon pa daw kami na beef sa freezer. Hindi ko alam. Yung pinakatay niya. Wow. Pwede ko yung gawing roast. So, eto na yung ating nahiwa. Malulubat na ako. And, chop-chop-chopping ko rin. Chop-chop-chopping. Hindi chop-chop-chopping. Pupuk-pukin ko rin siya tulad ng ginawa ko dun sa chicken. Ititim ko siya. Pag namatay kayo, guys, kasi palubat ng aking Try kong i-charge dito habang naka-on, pero dito na siyang side. Hugasan ko lang. So, nalobat na yung ating camera habang pinapakita ko yung una kong pinukpok. Naka-charge na kayo. Nakakabit kayo dyan, kaya dyan lang kayo. Hindi na kayo pwede dito. Dito na lang tayong side. Okay, tapusin ko lang to. I-charge ko muna kayo para humaba ang ating life ng battery. Ito na pala yung ating beef na pinukpok. Ngayon naman, ang aking ginagawa is tinatanggalan ko ng fats yung ating bacon. Ayan. Ang ginagawa ko ay ginugupit ko siya. Ayan, yung fat dito sa gilid. So, gagamit din tayo ng bacon dito sa ating ginagawa. Tanggalan ko lang to. Diba, napaka-special ng Father's Day ni Johnny Boy. Siyempre, kasi love namin si Daddy. Dapat special ang kanyang dinner. So, yan yung natanggal ko. Ayan. Parang masarap siyang ichicharon. Parang masarap siyang pakuluan tapos gawing chicharon, no? So, ganito na yung pwesto natin kasi naka-charge kayo. Naka-charge yung ating camera. So, eto na yung ating natanggal na mga taba ng bacon. Ayan. Parang sarap niyang gawing chicharon. And, eto na siya. Eto yung itsura niya. Ayan. Okay. Next is assemble. Tanggalin ko lang to. So, ngayon ay assemble ko na yung aking pang stuffing sa aking beef. So, ito yung shredded natin na eggs.
What are you doing, Mom?
Cooking your...
Cinnamon, right?
No, not yet.
Is that egg?
So, ito pa na ayaw niya yung pulang egg. Okay. And ito yung sinutay natin na broccoli. Hala, parang hindi siya kakasya sa aking bowl. Yan, broccoli. Chinap kong parsley. Meron ko ditong cream cheese. Parang hindi siya kakasya dito sa aking ayan. And then sour cream. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking salad bowl. Lagay natin siya dito sa salad bowl. Oh, di ba? Para malaki. Para makahinga siya. Yes. Okay, mas okay to. Mas malaki na siya. So, spread lang natin sila. combined. Ay, parang ang sarap na nito. Ito pa lang parang ang sarap na. Naglalaway na ako or gutom lang tayo. Nauuhaw ako. Pubos na yung tubig ko. Then, titimplahan ko siyang konting honey. Ayan. Pepper. Salt. And ito yung aking truffle spice. Diba? Gamit na gamit ko to.
What?
Bango. And yung 3 kinds of cheese.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
What is this?
Dinner.
Do you make it that?
Late ang dinner namin kasi anong oras na? 5:35 na lang.
We are not dinner yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday 5:30 nag-dinner na kami. Ngayon naman late tayo. So mag-assemble lang tayo and naglagay lang akong yung tama lang na gagamitin namin tonight. Para yung iba, pwede ko siyang kainin alone with toast. Kasi masarap siya, guys. Okay. Lagay natin to. Lagyan ko siya ng... Okay, where's the salt? Kunin natin yung salt. Lagay tayo ditong pepper. And then truffle spice. Then salt. And eto na. Alam nyo, magbawas ako dito kasi pag kulang, pwede naman akong kumuha. Ayaw ko lang siyang masayang kasi ang sarap niya. So, spread lang natin yung ating ginawang stuffing dito. Ayan. I-roll natin siyang ganyan. Kita niyo pa ba, guys? Hindi niya ata kita. I-roll natin to. Ayan. So, i-roll ko siya ganito. Ayan. Kuya, meron ako dito, guys, na paper towel para pampunas ko. And, nandito na yung ating bacon. So, ikutin lang natin din yung bacon sa kanya. So, irarap lang natin siya, guys. So, depende kung gaano kahaba yung bacon nyo. Pwede nyo rin naman. Meron ko ditong maliit eh. Hanap tayo. Ayan. Kasi medyo malaki yung ating beef. Okay. Putulin natin siya kasi kakailanganin natin siya mamaya. Sak, I need help.
Can I help you?
Okay, can you give me toothpick, Baba? Eto, kasi maano na yung kamay ko.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yes.
What is it? Pardon, Mom.
Can I have toothpick, please?
Two.
This one here.
You're gonna cut it out.
Just one, please. Okay, thank you.
5:48.
I know, it's gonna be late dinner tonight. Can I have a plate there, not the white big one, please?
Light?
Plate.
We made light.
No, not late. I'm gonna put it. Late talaga yung dinner. Come on. 6. So, ayan na siya, guys. Yan na yung itsura niya. Go, Zach. Pull it up. Okay. Put it here, please. Thank you. Okay, 1 down. And more to go. So, tapos na natin siyang i-wrap sa bacon. Ayan na siya. Meron tayong 6. And, i-glaze ko lang siya ng barbecue. Any barbecue sauce na meron kayo dyan. So, yun yung aking gagawin. Glazing na tayo and i-air fry ko lang to. Pwede naman i-oven. Pero i-air fry ko na lang siya. So, meron ako dito Stubbs. Sticky sweet barbecue sauce. I should put this one. Go have a shower na, Baba. I-glaze ko lang siya. So, 3 lang yung kasya dito sa air fryer. So, 3 muna. Yung rinol natin na beef with bacon, nasa air fryer. Yung 3 naman nasa oven. So, gagawa ko ng bruschetta. So, meron akong brie. Ito yung Australian Gold. Creamy brie. So, ito yung nabili ko pa sa Coles. Kailangan natin ng knife. Nanonood si Jen ng news. Parang ano guys, ang mamaya raw, lalakas pa yung hangin. Gustong-gusto to ni Kuya. And kaming lahat. Si Sak hindi niya natikman yung una kong gawa dito nung after namin dumating galing Bali. Nakaligo na sila. The air fryer. So hindi nyo marinate, maglagay na lang ng music. Put this in the bin, Baba. Thank you. Hinuwain ko lang to. That way. Kuya. And I love it too. And you like this?
Wait, yeah, I had it when the tomato dressing.
Yes.
But it was a little bit
Gusto kong hiwain yung tomato this time. Like this. Can I? Excuse me, baby. Yes. Yes.
But it was a little bit
Gusto kong hiwain yung tomato this time. So, binihiwa ko na yung tomato. Lagyan natin siya ng garlic. Lagay lang tayo dito ng garlic sa bread. Lagay tayo ng olive oil. Yung aking homemade homemade na balsamic vinegar.
Put honey on the cheese and what's that? Special dinner for Daddy.
Yeah.
I got all the
I-oven ko na to, guys. Okay, next kong gagawin is yung aking scallops. And prosciutto, with prosciutto. So, where's my knife?
Yeah.
Isi-season ko lang to ng salt and pepper, garlic. Gamit na gamit ko yung aking truffle spice. Pinatay ko muna yung aking air fryer. Garlic, salt, and truffle. And then maglagay tayong ibang herbs. Maglagay tayong dill. Meron akong fresh pero ito na lang dry. Okay. And then ipa-fried ko siya. So naglagay akong butter and olive oil. And yung dessert namin, cheesecake. And etong prosciutto, i-oven ko to. Wala ko sigurong 3. Ganyan siya kanipis, guys. Sobrang nipis. Pwede ko nga siyang i-wrap. I-wrap ko kaya yung iba. Ganyan. Ayan. Yung iba i-wrap ko. Open this, please, hon. No, thanks.
What are those scallops?
Yeah.
Why do I smell beer, Dad?
Not yet, babe. Surprise for you now. So, kain na kami, guys.
Taken? Day!
Happy Father's Day.
Good. Save on clothes while lifting the toughest of stains. Wow. Trust Spanish, forget stains.
Try them back.
Try that. That's good. It's good. I'm telling you.
That tastes like cauliflower, this stuff.
You'll like it.
You will like it, Zach. Yeah, yeah. What's that, Zach?
That's like cauliflower and meat.
Cauliflower.
Think that? Daddy, I haven't tried it yet.
Try it, Zach. It's trust Daddy. Nice. You like the beef?
Yep. Go.
Oh yeah, dig in there. Pawis na pawis siya.
Thanks, babe. That's beautiful. Have
Ayan na lang guys. Naubos si Jang, gusto yung scallops. And ayan, kainin ko yung... Meron pang dalawa kasi 6 to, diba? So tigi-isa sila. Si Sak may tirang konti, tsaka si Holly. Si Kuya tsaka si Jan, ubos talaga. Okay, Sak yung aking ice. Yung ginawa natin kahapon. And hindi na namin maluluto yung cheesecake kasi sobrang busog daw nila. Magpa-popcorn na lang sila kasi kailangan pa siyang i-oven for 35 minutes.
Do you need 2?
Yes, because I'm gonna put...
Oh,
so pretty!
Huh?
Oh, I forgot, Mom. I forgot you.
Oh yeah, I forgot you put lemon.
Ang ganda ng ng itsura niya, guys.
I'll try to get one. I'm having a sip, Mommy.
Go to the movie up there, Zach.
Hindi ko alam kung may kita niyo. Excuse me.
Where is the controller, Jan?
Sorry.
Ayan.
That's so cute. Are you gonna do that again, Mom?
Yes.
Jan. Oh, you had it.
What is up there?
And ito yung pinakamalaki.
I can pull up first for you, Mommy.
Ayan.
And guys,
Ang
I
ganda.
was
Who's really good on October this one?
Ang ganda. Okay, put the water in, please.
Zach.
So good.
No Spider-Man, Zach.
All you do is watch it.
So I just have to hold it.
Yeah.
No way.
Oops, alright. Thank you. So, lagyan ko ulit ito ng lemon. Alright. Ayan na yung popcorn nila and nanonood na sila ng movie. What movie are you watching? Growing Up. And ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Alright. Tapusin ko lang yung kinakain ko at maghuhugas na ako.
Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.